Hello, my name is Simon Edgoose, and in this series of videos we're going to show you how you can get the best out of your DTXM12. In this video we're going to talk about alternate groups, and what those are is a way of making sure that only one sound plays at a time. I'll show you what I mean. I've got 3 different loops of music loaded into this. So the first one is this. Second one is this. Third one is this. And what I want to do is I want to put them on different pads, and I want them to cut each other off so they're never playing at the same time. And then I can actually construct a whole song around this. So what we're going to do is firstly, we are going to make each section of music loop round continuously until I tell it to do something else. Now, what you'll see me do in this is press Shift and exit. When I press Shift and exit, that kills or stops any sound which is running at the time. It's almost like a panic button. It's very good for when you've got long samples running. You don't have to wait for them to finish, so you'll see me press these 2 buttons quite regularly. So, I've got one of the loops on this pad. And that just continues round and round and round because I've turned on loop mode. To turn on loop mode is very, very simple. You need to press wave. You need to find the sample that you want to make a loop. Then you press the right arrow key once. So it says common on the screen. Then you press enter. And when you first do this, you'll see it says play mode equals 1 shot. 1 shot means it just plays the sample from the start to the end and then stops. You need to change this so it says loop. Now, when you change it to loop, you'll notice that the store button lights up, and you do need to save it. So you need to press store and enter, and the sample is stored as a loop now. So I've got the 3 samples on the 3 pads, but when I play them, they all play at the same time. And it sounds a bit of a mess. So what I want them to do is I want them to all play individually and cut each other off. So to turn on the alt group, which makes all the samples cut each other off, you hit the pad you want, you press the voice button, and you go along to the right using the right cursor key until it says other on the screen. Then you press enter, and you use the right arrow key until you see alt group on the screen. Now it should say off, but what you want to do is you want to turn that to on, and we're all going to put them on the same alt group so they all cut each other off. So we're going to use alt group 1. So I'm going to hit this pad, turn it to alt group 1. Second pad. Third pad. So I've changed all these pads to the same alt group. Now listen what happens when I play them. So now what we've got is 3 different sections of music which loop around continuously until I hit another pad to tell it to change. So I can very, very simply play my 3 sections of music and have some drums and percussion in the background as well. And I've also set up another pad which is also on the same alt group, which stops the loops running. So I can be my own DJ and I can create music here.